AI can generate content in seconds, but does it really understand your audience the way a human digital marketer does? Let's break it down. Hey everyone, it's Kay, and today with Vidpros, we're diving into one of the hottest debates in digital marketing. Should you rely on AI like ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting, or is a seasoned digital marketer still the smarter investment in 2025? Let's get into the battle of brains versus bots and how this showdown affects your content, your brand, and your business growth. AI is no longer a trend. It's embedded into the way we create and manage content. From writing blog articles and captions to automating emails and scripts, tools like ChatGPT are doing tasks that used to take hours in a matter of seconds. For creators and marketers trying to keep up with daily content demands, this seems like the perfect shortcut. But here's the real issue. While AI offers convenience, it often lacks depth, originality, and emotional intelligence. And that's where the debate begins. If you're a beginner building your online presence or someone already posting regularly, the choice between relying on AI or hiring a digital marketer isn't just a productivity question. It's about whether your content creates connection or just fills space. For beginners, AI feels like a shortcut, but there's a trade-off. Starting out as a content creator can feel overwhelming. You need to post consistently, figure out your niche, and find your voice. Naturally, using AI like ChatGPT can take the pressure off. It helps you draft captions, blog intros, or even full scripts without feeling stuck. But relying on AI from day one can stop you from truly learning how to communicate with your audience. You may end up with content that looks fine but lacks personality or a clear point of view. If everyone uses the same tool the same way, it's easy to get lost in a sea of similar sounding content. To stand out, your content has to reflect who you are and what your audience cares about. That kind of connection isn't something you can automate. For growing creators, scaling with AI may feel smart, but it has limits. If you're already producing content and thinking about scaling, it's tempting to turn to AI to handle the bulk of the workload. You want to maintain consistency, expand across platforms, and publish faster. While AI can help generate more output, it doesn't always know what's relevant, timely, or high converting. It can't read between the lines of your analytics or sense when your audience is disengaging. It doesn't know when to shift tone based on a platform or respond to what your followers are asking for in real time. So while AI helps with scale, it won't help you scale in the right direction unless you combine it with human insight. What ChatGPT does well and where it falls short. There's no denying ChatGPT's strengths. It's fast, efficient, and accessible. For creators juggling multiple tasks, it's helpful for writing first drafts, brainstorming ideas, creating outlines, repurposing content into shorter formats, rephrasing, or summarizing existing work. But its weaknesses become clear as soon as you aim for quality over quantity. ChatGPT doesn't reliably understand emotional tone, context, or brand-specific nuances. It also struggles with creating persuasive or emotionally driven copy, matching your unique voice, adapting to changing trends, verifying facts or referencing current events, writing strategically based on funnel stages or audience psychology. It can help you create, but it's unlikely to help you convert without intervention from someone who understands the bigger picture. What a digital marketer brings to the table. A professional digital marketer does more than write content. They plan content that fits into a strategy. They understand what people want to see, when to publish it, and how to make it stick. Here's what a marketer contributes. Aligns content with your brand voice and values. Plans posts and campaigns based on seasonal trends and audience behavior. Writes copy that persuades, not just informs. Monitors engagement and adjusts method and adjusts messaging accordingly. Designs content that supports conversion and long-term business goals. Digital marketers think about the entire journey, not just the content in isolation. They help you connect with people in a way that builds trust, loyalty, and eventually results. How to combine both for a winning strategy. You don't have to pick a side. In fact, the most effective creators and brands use both AI and human marketers together. Here's how that works. Use ChatGPT to handle the tasks that slow you down. Draft a blog post. Outline a script. Break long content into smaller parts for social. Think of it as your first round of content. Then bring in a digital marketer to refine and elevate. They will edit the copy to match your brand's tone, check the emotional tone, ensure alignment with strategy, and prepare the piece to actually perform once it's live. AI helps you save time. A digital marketer makes sure that time turns into something valuable. Real examples. ChatGPT versus digital marketer copy. Let's compare how the same message sounds when written by ChatGPT versus a digital marketer. For a Facebook ad, a marketer would write, "Steal these 3 proven tactics to triple your sales in 7 days." The second version feels specific, urgent, and actionable. It speaks directly to a result the reader wants. Or a YouTube title. ChatGPT might say, "How to use Instagram for business." A marketer might say, "Instagram growth hacks. How small brands blow up in 2025." That version is trend-driven and emotionally charged. It makes people want to click. And in today's crowded content space, clicks are everything. SEO and analytics, where the gap becomes clear. Yes, ChatGPT can give you a list of keywords, but a marketer will build an entire content strategy around search intent and ranking potential. A human marketer will identify which keywords your target audience is actually searching. Group them into themes for long-term SEO growth. Monitor your performance on search engines. Optimize titles, descriptions, and image tags. Study your competition and outmaneuver them. Without this strategy, even well-written content might never be seen. A marketer ensures your content not only looks good, but gets found by the right people. Should you be worried AI will replace you? If you're a content creator or a marketer, the short answer is no. But you should evolve. AI won't replace creativity, intuition, or strategy, but it will become the standard assistant for those who want to work faster. Those who learn how to use it while still relying on human insight will always come out ahead. For creators, AI should not be a crutch. It should be a tool that helps you spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on what truly matters. That includes connecting with your audience, refining your message, and creating content that actually works. The future isn't digital marketer versus ChatGPT. It's using both together. To stay competitive, you need quality videos, fast turnaround, and consistent output. That's where Vidpros comes in. We help creators publish faster, stand out with pro-level edits, and focus on what matters most: creating. Let Vidpros handle the editing while you grow your channel.